Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin with essentials: your storage account, container name, and either a SAS token or account key. In Power BI Desktop, choose Get Data Azure Blob Storage and paste the account URL or name. This starts authentication. Once done, select the authentication method, SAS for scoped access, key for full access, because permissions determine which blobs load. Make sure to click Connect and watch the navigator populate. This moves you from setup to selecting the actual files to import. Next, you pick the blobs and shape the data. In Navigator Preview, tick the files or folders you need, then choose Transform Data to use Power Query. Use combine binaries when multiple files share a schema, and apply steps like split columns, parse JSON or CSV, and set column types. This ensures consistent types and reduces refresh errors. Once your query looks right, apply Close and Apply. This prepares a clean dataset for visuals and sets the stage for scheduled refresh and performance tuning. Finally, publish the report to Power BI Service and configure refresh. Add credentials under Dataset Settings, choose OAuth, SAS, or account key as appropriate, and set a scheduled refresh. If your storage uses private endpoints or VNet, make sure an on-premises data gateway or managed network path is available. If refresh fails, check permissions first, then firewall rules, endpoint accessibility, and whether the SAS token or key expired. One tip: regenerate SAS with limited scope and test immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.